Hey, this is Bill, and I just woke up. I can't sleep. Like lately, I've been hearing strange sounds outside my bedroom window, and this is my bedroom here. It's totally quiet. As you can see, it's 2:15 a.m. I just barely got to sleep. And I've been hearing these trump sounds. It sort of sounds like trumpet sounds outside. I can't get any sleep. I gotta play this for you because it sounds really weird. All right. So if you open, I opened my window earlier, and I can hear it. And I also I got on Facebook because I got my pocket computer up here, and I messaged Caliber Hitters and Sirius B and Glenn DeCarl and couple others. They said they're hearing this strange sound. So I think it might be like the apocalypse or something, because I keep hearing this strange sound. So I'm going to open my window and you can hear it for yourself. Sometimes it stops. It starts up again. Can't get any sleep. It's been a couple nights it's been going when I hear it. It sounds really far away, like traffic or something. I hear other things like helicopters and people talking outside. I just keep hearing this strange trumpeting sound. It makes me want to cry. It's just I can't get any sleep. But there's a helicopter. You can see the helicopter and hear that. I don't know, maybe the police got a report. All night long. I can close the window and can't really hear it that much with the window closed, but you can still hear it. I don't know, maybe I could turn my fan on. Sometimes that helps. It's not working. So that's it. I hope we can get to the bottom of this soon. I really need to get some sleep. I don't know how much more I can take of this. I need to get some sleep.